Welcome back, everybody. It's the new year, and I know lots of you are still concerned with what's going on down here. I've got a great recipe for you today. It's a healthy, a high-protein, dare I say, keto breakfast sandwich. I've got some Colorado pronghorn sausage. That's antelope sausage. You can watch the video of me harvesting and processing my wild antelope sausage. What? What do I mean by that? My Let's Give It a Try show. I can't believe that after all these years, I still have people asking me, hey Todd, do you still do the hunting vid? Yes. My weekly Let's Give It a Try show. It's been on Blackstone social media for a couple of years, so please get over there and watch it. And you'll also hear me reference a keto pancake video that I did over there as well. So thanks for watching, everybody. Hey, please leave me a thumbs up too. This is semi-frozen, so I'll slice this out into little sandwich size slices. This is pure Colorado antelope. It's high protein. I know exactly what's in there because I processed it. So maybe you're not a hunter. Check this out. I found these at the store the other day. It's turkey sausage. So if you want something that's lower fat, but maybe you're not a wild game hunter, just pick up some Jimmy Dean turkey sausage. Turkey bacon. I know a lot of you give turkey bacon a bad rep. This is a great brand. I pick it up at Sam's Club called Godshall's. And it is so good. So if you're gonna go turkey bacon, if you're wanting to, try to cut back on the amount of fat you take in, definitely go with Godshall's. I've got the Blackstone 22-inch Pro Series griddle. Extra virgin olive oil, of course. If you watch my videos, my MO is I always like to have a griddle that looks uniformly, if that is a word, oiled. So I want it to look pretty, just like that. I'm just gonna do one sandwich today. The last thing I want is a comment down below saying you showed me how to make a healthy sandwich, Todd, and you made a whole pile of them that was 18,000 calories. So I'll keep it simple. Here we go. Down with my Colorado antelope sausage patty, and then 1 or 2 strips of my Godshall's turkey bacon. I like to flip my bacon early and often. There we go. Sausage patty looking good. Egg whites, another great healthy option for a breakfast sandwich. I like to have spinach in my egg whites, but I'm a little bit different. For some reason, in my omelets, in my eggs, I don't like the stems. They gross me out. There's only 2 things in life that really gross me out: man buns and spinach stems. And I like to slice these really thin. Blackstone silicone egg ring. I've got some avocado spray. This could be Blackstone spray, it could be Pam. Straight down with my egg whites. Some of that spinach that we just sliced up. Some black pepper and a little bit of salt. Now my bacon's looking good. I don't want that to burn, so for now I'm just gonna set this over here. I'm gonna take a nice slice of extra sharp cheddar cheese. We're gonna put that down over here on top of my sausage patty. Let's talk bread. I actually don't eat keto bread. I don't eat gluten-free bread, and when I've had it, I've been mildly unimpressed. It's usually thin and a little bit flavorless. But I found these Oro Wheat keto buns at Sam's Club, and they're pretty darn nice, okay? Check it out, though. I think that's how they're cutting the carbs. Got a little concave crown. So I've got some melted butter here. I'm gonna go ahead and spread this on the inside and the outside. And an idea that I came up with yesterday was to incorporate this stuff. Everything bagel seasonings. Okay, this is a local bagel place. You can buy bagel seasoning just about anywhere. Sesame seed, dried onion, dried garlic, poppy seed, etc. So check this out. I put a little bit down on the inside and the outside. It's gonna toast and basically turn these keto buns into a delicious bagel-esque bread. I'm gonna try to lift my egg ring, and then I'm gonna put my little buttered and seasoned buns down on the griddle top. All right, it's been about a minute or so, so let's check those buns, check it out. Just like I said, basically turn it in to a bagel bun, and you can put a little extra seed on there if you want to. Gorgeous looking bagel-esque bun. My little egg white omelet is looking great. I'm gonna put my sausage patty, my antelope sausage patty with the cheese down on top of that. Beautiful heel down there on the bottom. Put that down on top. And then bacon. Looks like I cooked a little more than I needed here, so let's measure that out, and maybe we'll do something like this. We'll crisscross a couple strips on top, and that beautiful keto-friendly, low-fat, high-protein, whatever you want to call it, bagel bun. Take a look at that. I'm using 100% transparent. Those keto pancakes I made 1 or 2 videos ago, they might have been a little bit on the bland side, but I think with the delicious sausage that I have going on here, with the cheese, the bagel seasoning, I think we've got a winner. Let's give it a try. Looks delicious, by the way. You probably wonder why I'm wearing a crazy blaze orange shirt. Well, number 1, I'm the only griddler crazy enough to do it. Number 2, heading up to Nebraska tomorrow with my friend Steve for deer hunting. That's right, first of the year. White-tailed doe deer hunting, and hopefully we'll get some more sausage. It's delicious. It really is good. So if you're trying to watch the fat intake, if you're trying to get more protein or less carbs, try something like this. Thanks for watching. Check this out. I know we're past Christmas. This was apparently lost in the mail, but look what just showed up. My cool little, and you've seen some of these on social media, Blackstone 36-inch air fryer combo Christmas ornament. These were gifts given out to some of the griddle crew and Blackstone employees, and mine showed up a little bit late. So until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the high protein, the healthier, the low fat, the low carb, the keto friendly breakfast sandwich.